Hey guys, I just wanted to show you some piping tips and techniques because it's really impressive and people are kind of scared of it, but it is so easy. The first one I want to show you is a number 2, and it's great for doing things like lines, dots, also pretty straightforward, a little bit of swag around the edges of your cakes, and letters. So start with that, practice a little bit. Then you'll be ready for the next one. Pedal tip number 104. And yep, it does exactly what the name says, pedals. Check it out. Since you now know how to use the 2, you can use that to fill in your flowers. Pedal tip is also really good for doing ruffles around the side of a cake. Next one, 18. This is my tiny open star tip, and I use this when I'm making hydrangeas. Check it out. Or just tiny icing kisses. Or mini ice cream swirls. This one I love, I use it all the time. 2D, it's the closed star tip. See how those prongs come all the way into the center? This is the one that makes beautiful, easy roses. You gotta keep it low and wrap it around itself. But this one also makes really nice ice cream type swirls. Last but not least, 352. I love this one for leaves. It does one job, but it does it really well. See, did I or did I not tell you that this was so easy? Master these few tips and you are gonna be piping like a pro.